Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in New Perspectives Excel 2016 Module 8 SAM Project 1B. Our client provide us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Step 1. Open file, download the file, save it with _2, and ensure your name is in cell B6. Step 2. Highlight duplicates, apply conditional formatting to A2, A31 for duplicates. Correct Terri Ortez to 2026 and Veola Huie to 2030. Step 3. Remove formatting, clear formatting from D2, D31. Step 4. Lookup function, in E2, use lookup to find pay rate based on service years. Drag down. Step 5. Calculate training years, in G2, use 2017, HR training year. Drag down. Step 6. Conditional formatting, highlight G2, G31 with bold turquoise if training was 2+ years ago. Step 7. If function, subject leader in J2, use if to check if college graduate yes/no. Step 8. If plus or, supervisor in K2, use if plus or to check if service years 5 or college graduate yes/no. Step 9. If plus and, online tutor in L2, use if plus and to check if supervisor equals yes and academic tech training equals yes/no. Step 10. Nested if, training eligibility in M2, use nested if to show. Completed if training equals yes. Yes if service years 2. No otherwise. Step 11. Tuition remission, in N2, use if to check if service years 1 eligible/not eligible. Step 12. VLOOKUP plus IF error, in Q3, use IF error with VLOOKUP to show invalid employee ID if not found. In Q4, use VLOOKUP to find the pay rate based on Q2. Step 13. Count if, in Q9, count staff with academic tech training equals yes. Step 14. Average if, in R9, find the average service years for staff with academic tech training. Step 15. Average, in R10, calculate the overall average service years. Step 16. Save and submit, save the file and submit it. If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log into our website hhelpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.